Hello everyone. Guys, you all are welcome to my channel. My name is Rita Ayako and I'm a Cameroonian YouTuber based in Douala. Guys, you are so welcome, and without wasting much of your time, guys, today I'll be doing a review about this special cream. If you have been thinking of getting a nice cream and you don't know which one to get, and you don't know if you get the original or you don't know the original, and you really need a good cream so badly, sis, this video is actually for you. This video is for you, so please make sure you stay tuned. Watch this video to the end because you know regret you're staying here on this channel. So please, without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business, like now. So this is a cream. Yeah, it is fair and white, so white. Yeah, fair and white, so white. This cream is so amazing. This cream is the best. I have been using this cream for so long now, and this cream is doing wonders. It's doing wonders on my skin. I don't know, like, this cream says try this cream, take it from me. This cream is just the best. I was actually using this other cream, this one. Here's a cream. I don't know if you can see it well. This one is Silky White Exclusive. Silky White Exclusive. I've used this one, but it darkens my skin, honestly. I cannot continue using this type of cream, so I had to throw it away and go for this. I have been using this cream for like 1.5 years now. And this cream is so amazing, believe me. One thing I like about this cream is that it gives you a perfect complexion, a uniform complexion. It does not tear the skin. This cream is actually nice. It will give you a uniform complexion from head to toe. It's going to nourish your skin, like, you will not even, like, your body will be so soft, fresh. Ever since I started using this cream, my friends will always ask me, Rita, what is your cream? What cream do you use? I'll say, don't worry, I'll tell you all my secrets. Like, I've been watching so many videos here on YouTube. Some YouTubers will do a review about this cream and they will start complaining, this cream is not really nice. This cream, I've used this cream, it has darkened my body. I'm so sorry about that, sis. I'm so sorry about that. But if you get this cream, like if you get the original, yeah, sis, I'm so sorry. If you have been using this cream and you think the cream is not perfect on your skin, I'm so sorry about that. Like, this cream is actually what I'm using right now. Honestly, I cannot come here and be faking myself or telling lies or try to deceive you all. I will never do that. Take note. This is my first video here on this channel, and this cream is actually what I'm using. This cream is what I'm using right now, and I would make another video on how to mix fair and white, so white, to get a perfect complexion. One thing about this cream I discovered is that this fair and white, so white, if you must use this cream, if you want, like me, okay, let me say it this way. If you want to use this cream, if you want to have a fair complexion, you need to mix your cream well. You have to. If you don't mix it well, you will not get that fair complexion that you really want. But if you just want to like lighten up your skin a little bit, I'll advise you to buy this cream and look for and you can use it with the serum because this Fair and White So White, it has a serum. You can use it with the serum. Yeah, if you want a normal fresh skin, you can buy this oil and the serum. Buy this cream and the serum. And for those of you, if you want a fair complexion, believe me sis, I will not lie you. I will not lie. If you want a really fair complexion, you know what I mean, right? You have to mix this cream well. If you don't mix it well, you will not have that fair complexion that you so desire. But don't worry, I'll make another video on how to mix this cream to have a perfect fair complexion. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Subscribe sis, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified each time I upload a new video on this channel. Please subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, you will miss a lot of things. So I will make another video on how to mix Fair and White So White to have a perfect fair complexion. So this cream is actually the best I've used so far, and I love it. I love it so much. I really do love this cream. There are so many fake Fair and White So White in the market. There are so many fake Fair and White So White in the market. So I'm going to tell you how to identify the fake and the real Fair and White So White. So when you go to the market or at the supermarket and you want to buy this cream, I will advise you to open the cream. Let me just say this: if you want to buy this cream, don't go to those all those local stores nearby the road or those local stores in the market. Don't go there. And if you must buy this cream in the market, make sure you go to a very good store. A very good store, you know what I mean? Or better still, go to a supermarket. You will get original Fair and White So White. And before buying it, just tell them that you know the fake one. This is what I usually do when I go to the store to buy this cream. Do you know what I will tell those people? I'll just tell them, see, me, I know the original and the fake one. If you dare give me the fake one, just know that I'll bring it here back and you will refund me my money. So you see, that's just the trick. The trick to use to know the original, and it actually works well for me, you know. So just go there, tell them, just tell the person in charge, hey, you want Fair and White So White, you want the original. They should not give you the fake one because you know the fake one and you know the original. So just tell them. Believe me, I know this sounds crazy, but it works for me. It works for me because they will not allow. I wanted to like give another option that when you get there, try to open the cream, then put it on your palms like this. I don't know if you can see this well, but when you put it on your palms, it's the color is pink color. Pink. The color is pure pink. That's the original. But they will not allow you to open the cream because before buying it, it's sealed. The cream is sealed. It comes like this, but it's sealed, so you cannot open it. So that's it. Please guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share this video. Share it. Don't forget to share, okay? Share. Okay, sis. So this cream is actually the best. Really, really, it's a nice cream. I'll be doing the review on so many creams that I've used, and so many serums, bathing soaps, like what to use on your body for affordable price. It's not expensive. Don't go and waste some money to buy a cream that is so expensive, or a serum that is so expensive that will not actually work. It will not really do what you want the cream to do for you, or the lotion, or the serum, or the soap. So that's why I said you should subscribe to this channel, because I'll be doing a lot of things here, a lot of things. And me, I'm that type of person that I'm real. I don't fake things. If it's bad, I'll say it's bad. If it's good, I'll say it's good. Trust me. I have a lot of reviews to do. This one is actually what I'm using. I'll not come and be telling lies on YouTube that this cream is this, is that, is that, is that. No. I know that so many people are out there looking for a nice cream to use on their skin, but they don't know how to get it. So what I'll be doing on this channel is that I'll be helping you guys. I'll be helping you all to identify a nice cream, a good cream to use on your skin. This cream is very mild on the skin. It's not harsh. Like, it doesn't tear the skin. That's what I love about this Fair and White So White. Believe me. And I will tell you how I mix my cream. You'll be shocked. You'll be really, really shocked. I'll tell you how I'll mix my cream, but I'll do it in another video. I'll tell you, I'll bring everything and show you. I'll even show you what I'll show you with proof, like evidence. I will not go and buy a cream and come and do a review just because I want to, like, you understand? I'll not come here and be saying something that will not nice, will not look nice, but you know what I'm talking about. So just wise up, you know. So guys, make sure you subscribe. Oh, if you don't subscribe, you will miss. Trust me, sis. You know, when you have that perfect glowing skin, like, you understand. You know what me at the talk now. You know. Don't mind me. I'm a local girl. Yeah, I keep things real. I don't fake things. I keep it real, like real. If you not they fine, I'll tell you say no. You know they fine. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Oh, I said. Oh, make sure you subscribe. Oh, please, I'm pleading with you all. Make sure you subscribe. And I think I'm done. Go get this cream, sis. Go get this cream. Yeah, in Cameroon, this cream is 7,500 francs. You can get it for 7,500 francs. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, this is a cream I've been using. So it's it's 7,500 francs. I'm in Douala. I don't know, maybe in other places it's much expensive, like it's much expensive or cheaper. I don't know. So guys, bye bye. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for liking this video. And please, guys, I would like to plead you, I would like to beg you all, if you find this video interesting, give it a like. And if you want to see more of such video, more of such content,